Are you tired of time-consuming and boring task of editing Word or Google Doc templates for creating offer letters, agreements, and other business documents now and then? Well, not anymore. Crove is a solution to all your document-related problems. Wanna know how? With Crove you can create your own business templates with variables and logical conditions using our Google Docs-like template editor, or you can select from templates already made for your industry. When you use Crove you have the power to generate your repetitive business documents right from your phone. You can simply create mobile-friendly Crove forms and share links with your customers or employees to generate the required document, and organize generated documents all in one place. Crove, making template generation and editing smarter than ever before.
Hi everyone, this is Gaurav, co-founder of Crove. In this video, I will give you 3 simple steps so that you can automate your business documents or any other document with Crove. Let's get started. The first step is find out all the repetitive fields which you have to fill in order to create a document. We call those repetitive fields as variables, and I have got a couple of variables in this template. One is a signature variable, another is a text variable, username, and these two are also text variable. It is very easy to create a variable which have to be filled. You go to the variables panel, click on the add button and name the variable and choose its type. I have used 2 types of variables here. One is username, which is a text variable, and another is a signature, which is a signature variable. Okay. Now, when your template is ready with all the variables, you simply have to click on this button and grab the link of the form which Crove automatically creates for you. When you open this form and fill it, you fill it or your customer fill it, this is a shareable public link, Crove will create a document for you and deliver it to your email. So I will give you an example where I am filling my own name and I'm selecting my gender. One interesting thing I would like to show you here is, when you see this preview, it shows me the word gentleman here. When I change the gender to female, it shows me the word madam here. So I will show you how I have created this logical condition to render different content in my document. So if you notice this gray area here, if you click this, it will open up a condition builder. Here, this gentleman word will only appear when gender is equal to male. Similarly, madam will appear when gender is equal to female. Now, how do you create this condition? It's very simple. Let's suppose I want to render this complete variable only and only if the gender is equal to male. I will select this paragraph. I will click on this condition builder. I will make my condition. I will write gender is equal to male, right? If gender is equal to male, then and only then this paragraph will appear. It's that simple. One another thing I would like to show you here is, here this date is automatically being populated, right? And similarly, if I enter the item price as 120 and 120, Crove is automatically going to calculate the total as 240. So how you do this mathematical calculation and automatic capture of the date, this is done using expressions. So if you click this existing expression, it shows you the definition today. And here, if you click this expression, it shows you sum, price item 1, price item 2, which are both the variables in my template. Right. Now, how do you create these expressions? Go to the expression panel here and add a new expression. It's simple. Once you are ready with your expression, you have to define it using this expression definition. You can also go to the advanced tab to write the code associated with the expression, so that if you have a very different definition for which a function in Crove does not exist. Now, awesome. So you can fill a form, generate a document, deliver it to your email. What if you have got your data in your CRM or in Google Sheet and you want to send data from that application to Crove? For that, you have to click on this 3-dot menu, go to connect to other apps and find any option which is good for your requirement to send data. For example, you can use Zapier, Integrately, Incoming Webhook to get data to this template which I've shown you and generate documents. Similarly, to deliver the created document to other application, you can go to the delivery tab and you will again find outgoing webhook this time, Zapier, Pipedream and Integrately. So this is how You create your template, variables, logical conditions, expressions in Crove, and connect it with other application to automate your documents. I hope this video has helped you, and now you will be able to automate your document and save your time. Thank you very much.